Are you filming me?
Yeah. What is happening then?
It's hot and it's very humid, so it's hard to live in these conditions. I'm a little bit lifeless, I'd say.
Yeah, it's really, really...
You know, everything is wet and sticky and blah, not nice.
The humidity is 85% this morning.
85%, yeah. It's crazy.
Yeah.
So I guess we have only one choice.
Get into the water. That's more wet.
Let's go snorkeling. Yeah, you have to look here in the cockpit. It's 30 degrees and it's even still wet. It's crazy. So as we prepare for the snorkeling, I feel the wind, and there was no wind, so that makes me a little bit excited to leave this place. We could reach the kitesurf spot. In a week there's coming good wind, so we'll have to wait there, but there at least we can discover new places and do snorkeling. Man, that makes me very enthusiastic.
That's good.
Change of mood.
You think there in the other island there is no humidity or what?
Oh yes, there is a humidity, but we are on the sea, we are moving, we have perspective, we have hope, and hope makes living.
Beautiful.
Okay.
I see...
Feels a little bit stuck.
Yeah, it is. Maybe.
Hey, it's losing it.
Yeah, because we drifted over it.
10 minutes from when we decide we go, we're off. That's nice, huh? So you
Yes.
do the navigation, I will clean up the boat.
Yes.
It's very good. Our fridge can freeze as well, so now the vegetables are gone, so we can make ice cream. Enjoy. The wind is not very strong today. It's changing all the time. Now we have 6 knots, just a little bit from the back, and before it came from the front, and I don't know. Marlijn wants to take nice shots from the mast, so she's risking her life.
The weather changed a bit. It became grey and it's good. The sun is not so hot anymore, and there is some nice cool wind, so it's good. But there is also thunder weather in the air. It's coming closer, but it's still okay. And we are going around 3 knots and we have 4.5 miles to go. And yeah, we are still enjoying it, but we are focused because with thunder weather things can change quickly, so we'll see.
It was a weird trip. We had wind from all sides and we had thunder weather, and it didn't arrive to the boat, so that was nice. And we arrived in this national park, what is the name, Marlijn?
Wadi Gamal.
Wadi Gamal, and it looks very promising. Nice reefs everywhere and places to probably do kite surfing. So we will enjoy ourselves here the coming weeks, maybe. And thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you tomorrow again. Peace out.